Hi and welcome to News 18 Tech. मैं हूं भावेश and I'm excited to tell you that Apple has just launched the iPhone 15 series with its Wanderlust event, and here we are to share all the updates with you. Apple has launched 4 new iPhones: the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. But in this video, we will only talk about the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus because those are the models that have got some major upgrades. So here's all about the new iPhone 15 series. The iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus come with the same chipsets, which is the A16 Bionic. So that's something that remains the same. Now let's start with what's not same. The first update is the Dynamic Island. Apple iPhone 15 is getting the Dynamic Island notch, and Apple claims developers have added more features to the wide notch now available across all the iPhone 15 models. Apple is also continuing with the Plus variant for the iPhone 15, which is named as the iPhone 15 Plus, which has a 6.7-inch display. It looks quite big in front of the vanilla iPhone 15. Talking about the cameras, Apple is now bringing the 48MP sensor to the iPhone 15 with the Sensor Shift OIS along with a 12MP telephoto sensor. The company is using computational photography like Google to push the envelope of imaging, but the 48MP camera can only be used in the RAW mode and not in the normal camera settings. And now it's time for the biggest update, the USB-C port. Yes, Apple is finally talking about having the USB-C charging port on the iPhone 15 series, which quite frankly feels surreal. The new iPhones also have the ultra-wideband chip for improved connectivity between devices without compromising on security. Apple says you can easily find people 3 times further. Apple is also bringing satellite connectivity to the vanilla model. Apple is also offering USB-C with AirPods and EarPods. And now the part that we've all been waiting for, the prices. So Apple iPhone 15 series pricing starts in India at Rs 79,900 for the iPhone 15 128GB and 89,900 for the iPhone 15 Plus 128GB. Whereas the US pricing is $799 for the 128GB variant of the iPhone 15 and $899 for 128GB iPhone 15 Plus. Stay tuned to News 18 Tech for other launches from Apple. That's all in the video. Thanks for watching.